Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 37, and this is from our Advanced Flat Parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make sure and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we go into the program here. Now, part 37, you can basically say it's going to be a more simple version of our part we just covered in the sense of the amount of options available. But when it comes to actual building blocks, it's pretty much the same base, which is a rectangle. But instead of having two rectangle cutouts, we're going to have two circle cutouts. So now if we head to parts and we go to part 37, just find it here, open this, and you can see we already have quite a few less options available to set. And if I zoom in, we can quickly just break down what's happening here. So now we have over here the base shape again, which is A and B. So foundation is the width and height of the actual shape. Then what we have is we've got D1 and D2, so this is the diameter of the ring 1 and ring 2, or the circle 1 and circle 2, should I say. And then we've got your X1, X2, and then Y1, Y2. So basically X1 and Y1, so the X1 will set how far from the center the first circle is, or first circle cutout, and how high. Then X2 and Y2 will be setting the second circle. So you can in essence do a reverse where you have this circle higher than this one, so you can do that. But then yeah, let's quickly jump in. I'm going to make this one maybe 400, 300. Then we go to X1. Let's first set the D for the size of the circle. So I'm going to make this one maybe rather large. I'm going to go 100. And then what I want to do with the X1, I want to set this about 150. So we should have about 50 spacing on the side. And then on the actual height, I'm going to make this maybe about, well, let's just see nicely. Let's maybe make it a 150. So we'll keep that one pretty much the same. And then what I want to do with D2, we'll make a slightly smaller circle. So let's go about 80, and then I'm going to set these values. So just keep in mind it sets from the left to the right, so you don't set it from the opposite side now. So first of all, we've got X2, so then I'm going to set this one about 200. So we might only have about, what is that, a 20 millimeter gap on the side. And then Y1, well, keep in mind, yeah, that is to the center and not to the side, so you must take that in calculations. I did not. And then we've got Y2 over here, which is the height, so I'm going to make it a bit lower. And I would say let's make this about 100. And then let's preview it and hope everything's fine. Okay, clearly something is not fine. I think I can easily increase the smaller circles X. So let's go X, let's try about 300. See if it bombs out on us. There we go. And I think what I want to do is X1. I want to move it in a bit. So let's go X1. This is about 120. Preview it. And there we go. We've got our two circle cutouts inside our rectangle. I'm going to say manual quantities 1. Add it. And then add this to our plane. Let's put it under here. I think it fits a bit better. So there we go. That's part 37 from our Advanced Flat Parts. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.